hinahabol na parang sinasadya. Nandang ko siya si Geto, itala mo yung emat ka mabingit. Sagad sa alak di na kaya mo benta. Hindi mo mahanap yung kasi sa matindi. Hindi mo gusto manapos sa yeah, yeah, ay, yeah, 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 ay, yeah, 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 ay, ay, yung amat sinagad, yung bawal nilabas, ang malaki ng yash, ang hawak pinapa, yung amat sinagad.
Hoes for the street. Putting in her nose, it's gonna make her pussy. Pussy niggas told ain't gonna wake up at they shit.
Flash ko ha, di ka.
Down, awesome, ano lang.
Okay lang yan, Dick. Kaya mo yan.
Ang gumalaw Dick ah.
Dick, ang haba ng kulangot mo ah.
Damn, sabi mo na malula ako eh.
Huwag mo nang ano yun, bro.
That's right, bro. Don't think about it.
Inaiyak ko niya naman si Dick eh.
Gang, gang.
Ikaw gumalaw Dick. Diyan.
Chili garlic oil, bro. Success, motherfucker! I need some type of sex. Hey, yo, Jack. The other guys right here. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, yo. What's good? Yo, Jeff. Jeff is cooking right now. Some fires. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Shit, bro. Shit, son. Damn. Sean. Done. And daughter session.